I'm Pierce, co-owner of Viridian, and I'm here to tell you why we're #1 in the reclaimed wood business.
Our story began in 2004 on the docks at the Port of Portland, when my business partner and I had a crazy idea to rescue some really amazing wood crates. Through trial and error, we created a process to upcycle this wood into cool and truly unique tables, paneling, and flooring. We expanded to other sustainable materials, including rustic barns, gym bleachers, and even backyard fences. Designers loved the look, and the business took off. Even as our orders grow, our award-winning process gives us access to deep and reliable inventories. Today, Viridian focuses on the needs of high-traffic commercial establishments like restaurants, hospitality, retail, grocery, and higher ed. If this is you, we want to make your life easier. Here's how. We've worked in the restaurant business, so we know what you're up against every day. Viridian has the shortest lead times and most responsive customer service in the business. Our promise to you is on time, on budget, or we pay, and no surprises. We are a high-volume shop, but we are craftsmen at heart. We work with every plank to get the perfect balance of style and functional performance. All materials are kiln-dried and precision-milled for easy on-site installation. We use the best finishes to make sure your products look great despite constant spills and wipe-downs. We can also custom match your brand colors. We love a creative challenge, and if you can dream it up, we can make it a reality. Of course, quality and speed are nothing if it doesn't look incredible. Our designers are obsessive about keeping you at the cutting edge of wood trends. From rustic to refined, we have the right look to match your style and budget. Viridian set out to create a live edge look affordably. We work with the grain to create a stunning organic edge treatment without the hassle of picking through hundreds of wood slabs. Viridian is here to provide the highest quality reclaimed wood products with expert support. Call us now to discuss your project. You'll be pleasantly surprised by how friendly, affordable, and fast we really are.